Hello everyone and welcome back to today's morning report charts on Friday the 15th of May with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Tech Markets. Moving on to cable now, and this cable chart is very interesting, isn't it? I think you've got this advance on cable, but it's showing a series of slowing bull candles. Yesterday's candle was only about 30 pips up on the day, and I said that with the RSI up over 74 when I wrote the morning report today, it's just sort of losing a bit of that impetus, isn't it? And stochastics are rolling over. They're actually crossing over as well at the moment. MACD line's just slightly still advancing, but still could be potentially rolling over as well. So the possibility of a bit of a near-term correction, and I stress that I think it would be a near-term correction. I think that 55.50 back to maybe 55 figure is a good support now on cable, and I just think this would be a near-term move. But look at this hourly chart here that we've got on this. You've had this uptrend in the last week or so, and it's just now been broken. You've now seen the last couple of hours that momentum start to roll away. Look at this bearish divergence on the MACD lines, on the stochastics as well, and also the RSI. And RSI is now falling back to a 3 or 4 day low, and it just looks like it's just gaining momentum on this for a correction. And it's what we could be seeing now. The 55-hour moving average is fairly interesting on this chart. Seems to be a basis of support, and that's now being tested. So if you start to see the cable chart trading consistently below that 55-hour moving average, then again that may well be a signal that we're going to get a bit of a correction. You've got the near-term support at 57.24. That's under pressure as we speak, pretty much just about 10-15 pips away from there. If you do break that, you'd be looking for a move probably back towards the 56.30 area. 56.34, 35 seems to be the next basis of support. But certainly looking at on the fact that we've broken this uptrend, you've seen a rolling over these momentum indicators on the hourly chart, on the daily chart as well. Just losing a bit of impetus on the upside with those slowing candles. It just sort of all things are sort of fairly well set up for a bit of a near-term correction, which is what I think we're going to be seeing on cable. In terms of your resistance levels, you've got the minor resistance. If I zoom in here, you do sort of get a sense that the minor resistance comes in around 57.85. But obviously that comes in just below that 58.14 high that we saw from yesterday, which, if I zoom out again, which basically takes you into the realms of this resistance band back from November highs there. So interesting that the resistance is coming in, but I still think this would be a near-term correction before further gains in due course. But just a little bit of unwinding perhaps on cable near term. Anyway, I wish you good luck on your trading on cable, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.